साळन न्हंय निवळ करपाची मोहीम जायत्या वर्सां सावन सुरू आसा. साळन न्हंयत भितर सरपी घाणयारे उदकी आनी कोयराचो उगम वेगवेगळ्या उद्देगीक वाठारांतल्यान जाता. तेन्ना वेर्णा, सुरावले, बाणावले, न्हावेले, मडगांव आनी नुवेच्या थळाव्यांनी एकठांय येवन आवाज उठोवपाक जाय अशें आवाहन समाज सेविका रॉयल फर्नांडिसान केलां. तशेंच वेस्टर्न बायपास रस्तो पुराय जावपाक उच्च न्यायालयान फक्त एका वर्साची अट घातिल्ल्यान हो रस्तो पुराय जावपाक प्राधान्य दिवप गरजेचें आसा. देखून हो पुराय रस्तो लोखणाच्या खांब्याचेर उबारतले असो विस्वासूय तिणें व्यक्त केला.
What we want to tell again today is our matter is still pending in the High Court, our application for intervention, and the National Green Tribunal tinga almost stand still. I have a copy of the order. Tumkai khabar hai. The order states that until and unless the suo motu petition which is going on in the High Court is disposed, they cannot proceed with my application, assuming that will be conflict of interest or contradictory orders. The High Court is working on expedition on completion of the highway, whereas the petition in the NGT is for environmental protection. Time and again आम्ही सांगत हा आम्ही bypassaचेर opposed ना. What we only want is it has to be on stilts. So here again the only option left with us is to appeal to the Supreme Court. But will that be the solution? Is there political will to do that? So हेका लागून आम्ही आजपासून थिंगा उलय हाय, but still we didn't stop working with the government. Because it is here with the government we can see hope. And it's Zala, it's not that nothing has happened. We have always been positive from day one. We have been positive that the children's appeal will be heard. We've seen already half of it done, and we are still positive that the rest also would be done.